We've got a Ozito BSV9000 belt sander. Belt sander works pretty good. I'll quickly show you how to change a belt. You just lift this flap up. You've got this little handle here that just loosens the belt. Slide it straight off. These have got arrows on them, so you have to make sure they're going the right way. They'll probably last a bit longer that way. Put the new belt back on. Lock it back into place so the belt's nice and tight. This little screw here. Adjust the belt so you can centralise it. So I'll just give it a quick go. I don't need to centralise that one, but I'll show you how it works anyway. You'll see the belt will move from that side to this side as I turn this, and then I'll centralise it. There you go, so you should have seen the belt move slightly to either side. So if you don't centralise it as your belt sanding, the belt can come off. You obviously got a power button here, and then if you press the power button and this lock button, it'll stay on all the time until you press the power button again. Just put this little latch here down and you're ready to go. Just another tip when you're using belt sanders is to go with the grain. So you don't really want to go against the grain, just go with the grain. Yeah, so if you're after nice sturdy, this one's been thrown around. I've lent it to the neighbours, and yeah, she's still going, so Ozito. Too bad. Give us a like, share it if you like, and yeah, check out our bus build, and hopefully press the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Done quite a few jobs. It was one of the cheapest on the market at Bunnings. But yeah, if you just got a few jobs, then this is a good one to get. Otherwise, if you're a full trader, you probably want to get something worth a few more $100s than that one. Alright.